Yo, what's good with y'all, man? How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? It's your boy Hobbs, man. What's good? We finna react to this Chainsawman. Now look, I am not an anime watcher, okay? I do not watch anime. So this reaction will be from somebody who has no history of anime watching at all, okay? Now I have tried watching One Punch Man. I liked it, okay? I just couldn't, it didn't really want me to come back though. You know what I'm saying? It didn't really want me to come back. But I'm gonna give Chainsawman a chance, okay? I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm gonna watch this thing right here with you motherfuckers, man, okay? So if you ready for this, bro, go ahead and hit the like button, my boys. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you new, man. And now I know a lot of you new. So go ahead and hit that sub button, man. Comment down below what other videos you want to see me react to as well. Now let's get right into this, man. Chainsawman. Now look, hold on. Do they have the let's look at the details. Let's look at the details. A teenage boy drowning in debt is forced to hunt down devils with his pet devil dog Pochita until he's betrayed and killed. What the fuck? Yo, in an unexpected turn of events, Pochita merges with his dead body and grants him the power of a chainsaw man. So Pochita is a powerful force is what I'm hearing. Let's get into this, man. This sounds dope as fuck. Let's go. Y'all got snacks? I don't. My boy at work. He's finna go see his boss. Oh, my nigga at home. It's tough. I ain't gonna lie, it's tough. Damn, that's kind of clean. Damn, my nigga got a walk and everything. Oh. What? This nigga sold his kidney for 1.2 mil? Damn, how much is he in debt? That's crazy. How the fuck? His right. Yo, nah. This man got one eye, one kidney. How many kidneys we got? 4? Nah. We got like 2. We got like 2 kidneys or something like that. And he sold one for a 1.2 mil. What if it's not even 100K for a nut? Oh, that nigga, he need to join Squid Games. That's what happened. That's what it sounded like. He need to join Squid Games. Hell, hey, that'll set him right. He would be the perfect candidate for Squid Games. Let's be honest. How much did they win? I can't even remember. I feel like he has way more debt than what they was gonna offer that man, which is sad. That man is way down in the dumps, bro. What the fuck? That's the dog? Oh, that's Pochita. Hell yeah. A dead devil. Oh. Okay. Kill that nigga then.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
よくやったデンジ。 闇市でこいつの死体を売りゃ相当いい値になる。
Ooh,
報酬は40万だ。
400K?
そこから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料。管理調整費。その他もろもろを抜いて。
残りが
70K?
7万から水道
That
代
ain't
を払って
shit.
他んとこにしてる借金を払うと不思議だな。もう残り1800円になっちゃった。
Damn. My nigga got pennies.
今月はこの金で暮らさなきゃいけねえから。
Go kill some more
今日の
devils.
飯食パン1枚だぜ。
Slice of bread? Dough, that's crazy. Put some mayo on that. Make you a mayo sandwich. I don't do that. Hell no. Don't do my boy like that.
マジっすか。いただきます。
You know he ready to do anything for some money.
また悪魔が出たらよ。
Okay, he conned that man. He conned that man out of his money. I like him. I like him. He conned him out of his money. Can't nobody play him.
食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。
Shit.
死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。
Yeah. Your son gonna have to take over. You don't want to invite no girl to no dump. You know what I'm saying?
叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
That's all he wants is a girl. He don't even want to pay off the debt. He just want to get in some. He just wants some love, man. He just wants some love before he died. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. He gonna find him some love, but he might be betrayed again. Is that his dad?
今月の分も払わねえうちに首つりやがって。
No.
ガキ、物乞いするなり体売るなりして
700?
70万用意しろ。
Whore?
なきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
Yo, what are y'all talking about? They gonna chop him up cause he don't got 700K in a day? Bro, he just told him to go sell his ass for 700K. That's wild. What the heck? Oh, he finna die? I thought that was his pet. I thought that was his pet though. What the fuck? It be your own people, bro. I swear. What the f— Oh! Damn. Look at him. Yeah.
俺の血はただじゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺を助けろ。やっぱ俺も。
Damn, he don't even wanna die. With all that debt, bro, I don't see how you don't just off yourself. I'm not saying I would advise that, but it's a good, I see why you would do it.
デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
腹減って眠れね
Damn.
え。寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って、女とイチャイチャしたりして。
Yeah, go get that girl, boy. If you got game, huh? My nigga said wolf. Oh shit.
全治悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
Damn, he ain't even get no sleep. My boy ain't even get no sleep, bruh. What time is it? It's like 4 a.m. Why y'all not taking care of this man? It's not even his fault that he in debt. Y'all can at least give him a house and some food. Like, damn. Y'all just making him work? Do y'all dirty work for pennies?
こんなとこに悪魔出たんすか?
Got that dog with him.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね?
Don't tell me y'all finna try and chop him
もし
up.
かしてもう帰っちゃったとか?
俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Huh? Yo! What the fuck?
俺たち
Yo!
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。てめえみてえに悪魔と契約することにしたんだ。
Huh?
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
So now they got zombie devils chasing this man with weapons. Hell yeah. He got that dog in him for real. Look at him. No. Oh! Oh my god. Yo, what are you talking about right now?
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。
Oh!
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに。んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Yo, what the fuck? They just... What? Excuse me? That nigga's headless. Pochita. He got that blood. But he's chopped up.
ポチタ、仕事に行くぜ。
He dreaming? Is he dreaming now? Ooh, the bread.
俺は悪魔と戦って
Where the jelly at?
そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。
The fact that
悪魔には
he's
死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
Hey, that's a good plan.
普通の暮らしをして、普通の死に方をしてほしい。
That's a good plan. Look at him.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
Oh, that's beautiful. He's coming back to life. Wait, are those wires? Pochita's inside him. Oh! No. Excuse me? What's going on? Wait. Why is he being eaten? Where the chainsaw? Hello? Oh, I hear it. I hear that thing. Y'all finna get fucked up. Oh! Yo! My nigga! He really got that dog in him! Ooh, woo. Yo! Oh! Hit straight metal. He hit straight metal. Oh my god. My nigga's going to... He trying to run? Oh, I'm dead. Oh! Oh! Ooh! Oh my god. A sense of normalcy? Wait, this is the warehouse. They finna come back and see all them niggas dead. That's crazy. But I love it. Who are these people? Oh. Who the nigga with the pink hair? Oh, these are more devil hunters? Yo, so, okay, so look, they went and tried to get him killed. So they went and hired more devil hunters, right? They show up to the spot to kill these motherfuckers, but they come and they already dead and they see Pochita. That's Pochita now. That's Denji with Pochita up inside of him. That's cool. Oh, that's so good, man. That's so good, man. Come on, bro. I see why y'all fuck with this. Look at him. There's still one alive. Strange smell. Yes! Look at that. Oh, look at that, man. Wait, what's going on? He gets to turn back into a human? Oh!
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。私はゾンビの悪魔を殺しに来た公安のデビルハンターなんだ。
Public safety. She worked for the feds?
君の選択肢は2つ。
What he finna do? What he finna do?
朝飯はどんなの？
That's a good question.
食パンにバターとジャム塗って、
おー
サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな？
Okay. 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 Yeah. Alright. I fuck with that. You know what I'm saying? Look. Hey. Coming from me, I fuck with that, man. From somebody that don't watch anime at all, I fuck with that. That was great. That was great. When does the next episode come out, though? Do y'all want to see me react to the episode 2? Hit the like button. Let me know what you thought of this reaction, bro, in the comments, man. Let me know what you think of Chainsawman. Hey, let's chop it up in the comments, man. Come on now. Hit the like button, bro. Sub to the channel. We out here, bro.